Introduction for the preview. Weekly horoscope preview for 1st November till 7th November. Who needs the full content of weekly horoscope? All those people who have important meetings, events, dates in this coming week, where you are making important decisions and choices. And those meetings are important for you in this coming week. And you got to know in this coming week, may I say that in preview, we share only one part. Conclusion part 1. Out of the 6 part of the whole, the premium content. And premium content have a 6 part like a transit. Transit will define you the environment of the week. That is transit. Conclusion part 1, part 2 will define your actions and conduct and your mannerism, action and reactions. Task for the premium content define you how to balance the astrological equation. Precaution will define you how to defend yourself. Chanting, how you can create a huge boost by yourself. These are the all content of the premium content, which you can achieve it through my website. Visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Go for the full weekly horoscope report, the premium content. Implement, because this is the applied weekly horoscope report. This is not a only prediction. This will define you. This is the environment. These will be your action reactions, and this is the scope. This is the chance you can change the equation if you want to, with the help of this task, with the help of this chanting, with the help of this, may I say that, precautions. You can implement it. This is a pure applied weekly horoscope report, but all depend on your choice. Taurus weekly brief forecast. Week commencing 1st November till 7th November 2021. This coming week is going to bring for you this. Taurus, due to Ketu's position in 7th house, look after your marriage relationship, look after your love life, look after your joint venture. Rahu's position in 1st house, watch your attitude, watch your behavior, refrain from foul temper and ego. And Venus position in 8th house, look after your partner's health, look after your own health, and make sure financial backing have to be taken care of, please. And make sure your behavior have to be nice with your partner. They do take care of your male and female health. Moon and Mercury, both are in the 5th house. So if there is any illusion or confusion, you have to make sure you need to take what you need to do. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week regarding Moon's transit effect that will define you, your decisions, your choices, your vision, your imagination, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological task you need to do if in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your discipline to save yourself. What sacred chanting you can do in next 7 days to achieve the supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve your best. Website in front of you is prakashastrologer.com. Visit my website, acquire the weekly horoscope report, and achieve the best.